Hi, I'm Colby with WTI, and today I want to show you this external hard drive from Western Digital. This hard drive is 2 terabytes, which is a beautiful amount of storage. But one of my favorite things about it is just how compact it is. This thing is so small and compact that you can store it almost anywhere. When I'm at home at my office, it fits in my tiny desk drawer, but it's always within reach because of that. You can take this with you anywhere and it's not going to be a burden. When looking for external storage for your data, you want a company you can trust, and Western Digital delivers. This hard drive is reliable, it's got good build quality, and it's super fast. So if you want to use it to edit on, it does great. If you're looking to expand your storage, look no further. This 2 terabyte hard drive from Western Digital is fast, reliable, and you can't go wrong. That's my point of view.